Okay ka naman.
And then while waiting, Therese and Angelo, cheers everyone. Cheers.
A Day in My Life, featuring the civil wedding of Danielle and Therese. Hello loves! Welcome to my vlog! I'm Faith Blanake and I am a content creator from Negros Occidental. Good morning guys! Currently, we are here in Bacolod City to attend the civil wedding of my sister-in-law, Nang Therese. Naghapit lang kami diri sa Jollibee para magkaon sa amon breakfast. After breakfast, madiretso na kami sa ila reception sa Maria Cocina Familia. Before kami gali mag-proceed sa ila nga reception, ihapit danay naman sila ni Mama kag ni Papa, ang akon nga mga in-laws, sa Hall of Justice upod sa Maninay kag sa Maninoy.
Tapos nagbitay nga naman. Wow! Kailis ka pa? Gusto mo na? Nung iripato ako. Hi! Okay ka naman? Okay.
Finally, we're here at Maria Cocina Familia, located in 24th Street, Bacolod City, Philippines.
Good morning.
Your most comfortable seat na lang. And then while waiting, we prepared something.
Amo ni galing mga ganap samtang gahulat kami sa couple.
So, it is my pleasure to introduce them to you for the very first time as husband and wife. So without further ado, let's all welcome Mr. and Mrs. Danielle Gador. Siyempre, you have to show us your first kiss in front of public. Yeah. So mga 2 hours siguro or until the music stops, no? Alright. Couple, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1! Everybody, ako mo. Good morning. Although we'll have more of it in the church wedding, but at least may miniature version, kaya subong madaan. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Thank you so much, couple. Thank you. You may now take your seat. Alright? And then at this point, may I call on, of course, the mommy of the group, Tita Eileen. Yes.
First and foremost, I am happy to say that I am really very happy to be here, incredibly happy. I am to be here today, celebrating the love and union of my wonderful son, Daniel Angelo, and his beautiful wife, Therese, Maria Therese Palacian. I only know her as Therese. My wish for you both is very simple. May your lives be filled with laughter, your hearts with love, and your home with joy. Please cherish each moment, support each other through the highs and the lows of your lives, and always remember the love that brought you together on this special day. Here's to a lifetime of happiness, love, and countless beautiful memories. Therese and Angelo, cheers, everyone.
Cheers! Thank you so much, Tita Eileen, for that very heartwarming toast.
Thank you, Lord, for the gift of life, the gift of love, the gift of family.
Masaya ako para sa inyong dalawa. Siguro, pinagtagpo din sila ng tadhana. Kasi ako lang ang instrumento nila, ako lang nag-break sa kanila. So, congrats sa inyong dalawa. Kung may mga problema ka mo, huwag kayong makatubili na hingin ang tulong sa amin. Nandito pamilya mo, nandito kami, ng mga ninong nyo. Huwag padalos-dalos na desisyon. Kailangan magtanong-tanong muna sa mga pamilya at saka sa mga ninong at sa mga kaibigan. Think 100 times before you do. Okay? That's all. Congratulations and God bless you.
Therese and Angelo, I guarantee it's not gonna be a boring life as husband and wife. Marami kang dadaanan, maraming ups and downs. Rest assured, it's not gonna be boring. Especially because knowing Angelo, nung maliit pa siya hanggang ngayon, medyo mischievous, talagang active person. Kaya si Therese, ma-active din yan sa mga interest ni Angelo. So I guarantee it's not gonna be an easy life. Especially sa career ni Angelo, na a lot of times he'll be away from home, but I know you're a strong person. At saka you have the support of your family. Ang wish ko sa inyo and what I want to share with you is to stay strong. There will be a lot of downs, there will be a lot of highs, but always remember the good moments, what we brought you together today. It's your love for each other and that commitment. Stay strong and always look up, look to God. Okay? Congratulations again!
Good afternoon, everyone. I and Inday could be friends since high school pa. From the start talaga, kami yung tandem every time may mga weddings, lahat ng mga friends namin, kami na talaga dalawa yung invited. So this time, ako na yung invited sa kasal niya. The other day, nagsabi siya sa akin na mag-speech daw ako sa kanya. So wala naman akong masasabi kasi wala namang jowa. Wala naman akong masasabi na good memories and everything for the couple. Kasi wala naman na-experience. Siguro, I would say na lang to Dan, you have, parang advice ko na lang sa'yo. Be patient to Inday. I know si Inday madami siyang kaartihan in life, pero I hope mag-carry over mo lang sa kanya. O si Tita nagsabi na mischievous, kaya ni Inday mag-go along with Dan. Sana si Dan or si Angelo mag-go over din kay Inday. Kung ano ka-kikay si Inday, dapat maging kikay din si Angelo. I wish you all success in life. May God be the center of your relationship. And may you continue to love and respect each other. So, mula din nasulat ko, from Cardo of ang Probinsyano, to tanggol na magtatanggol ng buhay sa Batang Quiapo. Thank you everyone.
This is one of a kind. When she announced na roughly 3 weeks ago na ikakasal siya, so we wouldn't want this day to be very simple lang. We want to give justice to this event. So what I can say, you're very lucky, both of you, to have each other. You have your strengths and weaknesses. Dan, I am very happy that Therese is now in your life. I hope you still continue to accompany Therese to the salons. I hope you don't get bored when she does her nails every weekend, when she does her facial treatments, acne problems every weekend, no? This weekend, hair, next weekend, nails naman. So, naka-schedule yan. At the same time, Therese, I hope you do not get bored accompanying that to his outdoor adventures, to his hiking, to his motocross, to his camping without electricity, to his buhay na mga gala. I hope you complement each other really well. So I'm very, very happy that all of you are here to witness this momentous event for the both of them. Thank you so much.
Ngayong hapon sa tanan po, Inday Therese, subo, ina nagdalaga ka, subo mo yung libanan na kita. Maraming kay Daniel, may mabigasyon ako sa isa-isa. Kaya nga, is-wishes inyo. Iba ng mga buhay, ang mga ating ups and down daw. May mga ilaw, maraming kabayan yung kahit simple ang mga matalino kayo ka. Ang Panginoon Diyos, palapit kayo sa Panginoon kahit na may mga siguro masabi ko lang na Inday Therese, mahal ka namin. Kaya Daniel Angelo, sana mahalin mo si Inday Therese. Inday Therese, mahalin mo din si Angelo. Magmahalan kayo kag is-wishes inyong dalawa.
Dan, today is a day that fills my heart with both joy and touch, and a touch of bitter, sweet nostalgia as I stand here. Not just as a brother, but as a witness to my sister's journey into a new chapter of her life. It feels like just yesterday we were running around, kasabay sa ilang ni Papa at ni Mama, nagugtanay sa isang boarding house sa college, subo na kasanta na. Kapit ito, kami tanan para sa inyo. Then Therese, you've always been more than a sister to me. You've been our family's heart and rock. From the moment we were studying for college, you took on so much for all of us. You put your own dreams aside to help out with everything at home. Especially when it came to making sure we all had a shot at our dreams. Especially ang mga magbunta, incubate sa tanan, mga sacrifice. And I want you to know that I'm so proud of the person you become. And now, as you start this new chapter with Dan, I have no doubt that your love will continue to inspire us all. Dan, welcome to the family. Take care of her heart like it's the most precious thing in the world, because it is. Therese is not just our sister. She's one of our family's heart. And if there ever come a time when you find yourself uncertain, or if you ever feel she's too much to bear, return her to us with love, but never ever let her get hurt. To share something, I just want you both to remember that marriage is not just about the love you feel today, but the commitment to love each other more deeply with every day. And Therese and Dan, as we begin with this new journey together, know that our family stands behind you both, ready to support and celebrate every milestone. And to my sister, may your marriage be filled with all the happiness and love you deserve. Here's to love, here's to family, and here's to a future filled with endless happiness. Our family is so lucky to have you both. Congratulations, Dai and Dan.
Full of emotions, pero marami.
Good afternoon, Gawat. Hi, Dai, Dan. Thank you. Thank you, Dan, for taking good care sa akong pagkaisan. I didn't have the chance to know Dan personally, but by just looking at you and at your family, I can say that Dan is a good man. Siguro pagkabata, high school, magkaklase kami, college, isang boarding house kami, kaso naibig ako sa bahay ni Kuya. I cannot imagine sa kabulayan ni Inday sa college. And of course, Dan, thank you for introducing Inday sa riding community. Riding your bike is, very therapeutic.
Good afternoon again, everyone. So, again, I'm the little sister of the bride. As a research teacher, of course, when I knew I had to prepare a speech, the first thing I did is to research. I spent hours Googling wedding speeches, tips, templates, watching YouTube videos just to help me, find a sorting place. And nothing was very helpful. It just didn't really apply when it came to my relationship with her, because there's not a lot of words to explain our sisterhood. Not many people get to say that they have the kindest, most giving, selfless sister in the world. So Dai, I'm so glad that you can say that. You're welcome. So people always say that sisters are your built-in best friend. And that is absolutely true for Inday and I. She has always been my biggest cheerleader, my strongest critic, and one of my counseling clients. Most of my practical experience and application of my degree were with her. So thank you. So to share something, because I went into high school where she graduated, class valedictorian with so many awards, of course, many people knew her, aside from the fact that we're children of Sir Arellano. And me, adjusting into high school, it was common for me to walk down the hall or enter the faculty office where people would say, "Hala, daw si Manang, mugit ka. Manghud ka ni Therese, no? Magulang mo sinang Therese. Manghud na siya ni Therese." And actually, until now, it does happen. And for some people, it might be bothersome, but for me, it's not. Being her sister is one of the things I'm most proud of in this life. Some people didn't say hi because they knew who I was, but because they knew and loved Inday. They're excited to talk about how great you are, and I love that because it means that I am associated with someone who had such an impact on so many people, genuinely loved by so many, and will captivate any room that she walks onto. There are a lot of things that I love about her, but one of the things that I love the most is that in every stage of my life, she have been a constant source of inclusion and support. She always makes sure that I was never left out, and there was always a place for me no matter where she went. That unwavering inclusion helped shape the strong bond that we share today, and I couldn't be more grateful for her presence in my life and in my heart. So being so close with my sister, I've always been kept updated about who she was seeing or dating. And so when she told me that she was talking with this guy named Dan or Daniel, and that this one was different, I knew I have to read their chat messages and meet him. And I did. So sorry for invading your privacy. And when I met him months later, that turned out to be 100% true. He treats my sister in a way I have always hoped and prayed she would be treated. He is patient, thoughtful, caring, and nurturing. I know my sister is safe in his arms, and so is her heart. So thank you, Dan, for taking care of her, and most especially for loving her. My heart is at peace knowing that someone will listen to her and care for her when I'm not around, and that someone will be as patient as I am with her, because whether she accepts it or not, she can be very stubborn and sensitive. She may appear tough and strong, but she has the most tender heart. Thus, I hope that you continue to cherish her and love her until the end. Because as she may have told you already, I can be very protective and sensitive when it comes to her. Inang nakamove on na siya, pero ako wala. But on the bright side, mas buod kuya kaysa sa iya. I'm so happy that you found your way to be with each other, and ecstatic that you both wholeheartedly took this leap of faith together. It has been a privilege to watch your lives and love grow. And lastly, I would like to end this by a poem entitled A Wedding Poem by Whitney Hanson. So they say that sometimes love starts with a spark, and that might be true. But if I were to wish you a love, I wouldn't wish fire for you. You see, fire is powerful. It burns bright and then it's gone. It's beautiful and warm, but it doesn't last long. So instead of wishing you a love that burns, I wish you a love like a river twists and turns. It changes and it flows. It is powerful and free, but it consistently finds its way back to the sea. And so like the water, I hope your love is ever growing, ever changing. I hope your love is powerful and free, and may you always find each other like a river finds the sea. So I love you both, and congratulations. Thank you, everyone.
I'm very thankful sa family ni Therese, si Inday. We are accepted without pretension, walang kaarte-arte, walang ka-pangpan. So feel namin yung sincerity. I would also like to thank Alan and Annabelle for raising a beautiful daughter para kay sa anak namin na si Angelo. And disconnected na po. Also, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa mami ni Angelo for her sacrifice. Angelo, growing up and teaching, bringing it correct upbringing, and a loving husband, in the future, hopefully, walang problema. So kung may mga problema man, we are here. And also, kung may mga lakad-lakad tayo, sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mga outing natin. Siguro mapapadalas na kami bumalik sa Pamangkalan kasi maganda ang pagkain. And yung family naman talaga, nandyan naman sila. And good luck sa inyong dalawa. Si Mami na lang mag-umusap.
Ba talaga pag kinasal ka na babae, anak ng babae, medyo nakakaiyak. Nang kinasal yung anak ko, di ako umiyak. Sa kantan at sa kay Inday, may assurance kayo na pati kami na mga magulang mo, mga kapatid mo, ganun din sa kapatid ni Dan, sa mga kamag-anak natin. Malaking assurance ko na magkakabuo kayo ng mabuting pamilya. Kasi sa nakikita ko, sila galing sa mabuting pamilya, mga magulang. Ikaw din, galing sa amin. Hindi naman sigurado na talaga mabuti ako. Pero sigurado, may mapagpapala kayo sa akin. May kasabihan na ang isang puno, mabubuting puno, di naman namumunga ng masamang bunga. So kung nung pinanggalingan nyo, ganun kayo, ganun tayo. Kaya dahil nakikita natin bawat isa, bawat pamilya, mga mabubuting tao, makakabuo din kayo ng mabuting pamilya. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Thank you for coming, especially those people who took the time out of their precious time of their lives to come here, kahit malayo, also from other places, my family, our family. We sincerely thank you. I may not show it, might not be obvious that some emotions, but I really do feel deep inside very grateful, and I was touched by all of your messages to us.
Thank you kay Lord sa pag-bless ang aming relationship. Siyempre, eventually sa aming church wedding, marami kami kay para si Lord naman ma-witness sa among niya pagkasal. So again, thank you so much din sa inyong time, support, sa love. I love you.
Before we go home, I would like to take this opportunity sa sandali lang na sasabihin ko ito kay Dan. Sandali lang din. Thank you. Sabi ko lang na mahalin mo talaga si Therese. Hindi kasi deserve ka to be loved. Mahalin na siya namin. Mahal ko rin siya. Uwi na tayo.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and God bless you. Bye!